Hey, welcome to Automation. In this tutorial we'll look a quick way to install Python version 3. So before we start, let's see if Python is installed. So open run, type in command prompt. In the command prompt just type in the command python -v. It says Python is not recognized. This means that Python is not installed. Okay, so go to Google and search Python. Go to the Python website and under downloads go to Windows. In that you will see stable releases. So you have various files. I prefer to go with the executable installer. That is the best. So just click on that and your download will start. Okay, you know what, I'll cancel this download just because I already have downloaded the executable on my machine right here. Okay, so let me go ahead and run that. Click on run. It will choose the default path to install your Python. You can choose any other path that you feel. I'll go with the default one for now. Also choose the option to add your Python version to your path, the path variable right here. If it's not installed, we'll look at how to add it later. Okay, so do that and click on install now. I'll pause this video till the installation is done. Okay, the installation is successful. Okay, click on close. We go back to a command prompt and I type the same command again. Okay, I think I should open a new one. So it is python -v. Okay, it has done something. I have no idea. Let me do that again. Oh, okay. I think I'm already in the command prompt for Python. If I type something like print, which is a command from Python, and if I type hello world, here we go, hello world is printed. So this proves that Python is installed on your computer. Okay, this is done. This is the tutorial for now. If you have any problems with regarding to path, or if you have failed to tick mark that checkbox path, then go to command prompt again, and in command prompt you have to choose advanced system properties advanced.exe. okay, you'll go here to your system properties. In your advanced tab, go to your environment variables. Now in the path I can see that I have the path where my Python was installed, C users all the way till Python 37. So if you have failed to add this path, this path to your Python version in your environment variable, you go ahead and do that manually. Okay, remember to save it as PATH in caps. Once you have done that, save it and everything will work well. If you have any problems with installation of Python, do let me know. Thank you.